In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stream delay in OBS Studio with a new fix that only takes a few minutes to implement. This guide is perfect for those who've experienced frustrating lags during their live streams and want to provide a smoother viewing experience for their audience. Let's dive right in and get you set up for seamless streaming. First off, fire up your OBS Studio app. If you're not familiar with OBS, it's a powerful open-source tool used by many broadcasters and creators to stream their content online. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you'll see a section labeled Controls. Give it a click. Next, we need to get into the settings. By clicking on Settings, you'll be opening up a window with various options that allow you to control how your OBS Studio behaves. What we're aiming for is a specific configuration change that will help minimize or completely remove that pesky stream delay. After opening the settings window, move your cursor over to the Output tab. It's here that you will make some crucial adjustments. In this tab, you'll find a setting at the very top called Output Mode. Switch this from the basic mode to Advanced. You might notice a host of new options that appear once you choose Advanced mode. Don't worry if this looks a bit daunting at first. We'll focus on exactly what you need to change. With the output mode set to advanced, find and select the replay buffer tab within the output options. This tab controls the replay buffer function in OBS, which stores a stream of data so you can replay and save recent moments. Although it's a fantastic feature for creating highlights, it often adds unnecessary latency to your live stream. Once you're in the replay buffer tab, here's the critical step. Look for the checkbox that says Enable Replay Buffer. If you see that it's checked, go ahead and uncheck it. Disabling this feature will help in reducing or completely eliminating the delay issues you might be facing during your live broadcasts. And there you have it. You've just adjusted the settings in OBS Studio to ensure your streams are as close to real time as possible. Remember, the key here is disabling the replay buffer feature within the advanced output options, significantly improving your stream's responsiveness and quality for your audience. Before you wrap up, it's always good practice to test these settings. Run a quick stream and check with a friend or a test viewer if everything is running smoothly. Being proactive about any remaining issues can ensure your streaming is consistent and professional every time you go live. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tutorial on removing stream delay in OBS Studio. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the steps. Until next time, happy streaming!